I'm Emily.
And I'm Ann.
And we're Discover Teas. Many people have asked us if we have a Thai tea. In this video, we'll go over our answer to that as well as what Thai tea is.
Despite the long history of tea leaves being used as a salad herb in Thai culture, the practice of drinking tea as a beverage in Thailand is much more recent.
Like bubble tea, which we've covered in another video, Thai tea is not defined by the specific ingredients used. It's more of a tea style rather than a blend or a type of leaf.
Well known for its characteristic orange color and sweet flavor, Thai tea is like an upgraded version of Southern American sweet tea.
Much like sweet tea, Thai tea is usually sweetened with sugar and poured over ice.
It's also often mixed with a form of dairy, usually sweetened condensed milk, though evaporated milk, heavy cream, and half and half are also popular.
Non-dairy drinkers can also use coconut milk or almond milk.
Thai tea does not always involve spices or other flavorings, but when it does, the most common are vanilla, crushed tamarind seeds, or star anise.
Most Thai tea mixes sold in supermarkets around the world are not tea and spice mixes, they're tea and sugar mixes, usually with yellow dye to give the drink its signature orange hue.
While Thai teas are generally made from strongly brewed Sri Lankan style black teas, some also use green tea.
If you're making Thai tea at home, we recommend our vanilla cream, Baha, or Keeman Panda black teas, potentially with a pinch of anise, depending on what flavor profiles you like.
We're always happy to do a custom consultation to help you create a loose leaf Thai tea blend that reflects your own personal preferences.
So while we don't sell a Thai tea as is, hopefully we've given you some ideas for making Thai tea at home with loose leaf tea.
To learn more about different tea styles or to set up a custom consultation, talk to us at facebook.com/discoverteas or hello@discoverteas.com.
Until next time, I'm Emily.
And I'm Ann.
And remember,
when you're making Thai tea, milk it for all it's worth.